we couldn't have done the hackathon and the conference at this scale alone. Yeah? So I want to invite now our core partners and founding partners, Deloitte, yeah, Rich, Henk from QFC and Basel from Google on stage to have a quick chat with me together. How was the experience together with us? We obviously, please come in and sit. Yeah, we founded with them. Yeah, Rich, Basel. Thank you. Welcome on stage with me. We didn't do this alone. So in this journey, we welcomed Antemis. It's one of the biggest InsurTech funds in the journey with us. We have Profina. Today, later on, we will see Profina, an amazing decentralized data startup. We have QLab that helped us a lot in mentoring. We will see we have a lot of health startups. So great thanks to all of you and helping us doing. And Black and Play is here in the room as well that actually helped us on reach and helped us to use their capabilities that the startups are getting in pitching. And you will see amazing pitches. Yeah? So thank you all. And I will just try to sit together with you. So thank you for being here. Thank you for the journey. It was an amazing ride. And I believe I'm 10 months in. It was an 8-month ride where we talked with Deloitte, yeah, first meetings. It took us some time to get together, but then we actually made it. And I've been working with Deloitte Digital in Europe, so I trusted you, and we found a way how we actually can work very well together. So, Rich, I'm happy to have you here. In this way, we actually found the way that we said, oh, we need a bit more. So we got Google Cloud into it, which is an amazing project here, and QFC is with us, with QFC, since many times, so many years, and we have a partner in mind here with QFC. So maybe, Rich, can you maybe quickly give your feedback on how was your journey with us in the hackathon?
I think the journey is just amazing. I mean, you know, when we had that conversation, I think we first met in a hotel in Qatar 8 months ago. You know, COVID was raging. We could try and find somewhere to physically meet, and we talked about this. I mean, you look now, and 134 startups were involved. You know how you've actually brought the excitement to the InsurTech, how we've worked together, how we've got amazing partners. I just think it's phenomenal. And you know what? This is just the start. So actually, to me, I'm incredibly excited about today and what we've been doing over the last few weeks. I'm more excited, though, about the next few weeks and months and years about what this is going to start in the region.
Yeah. Great. Thank you. Basel.
Yeah, thank you so much. I believe it's a very exciting opportunity, and I would like to thank the organizers and our partners at Deloitte and, of course, QIC to be part of this activity. Of course, during this hackathon, we've seen a lot of improvement, and our role as Google Cloud was and will remain to empower all the startups to grow and grow fast and secure and collaborate and make sure that they will continue to learn. So we are really looking forward to seeing a new unicorn, I would say, coming out of this hackathon. And of course, if we look at it, during the hackathon days, our team internally, because we provide the tools for people like you to improve and to develop solutions, we were really impressed with the level of complexity and the level of the use cases that had been provided. So regardless of who's going to win today, I believe all 137 participants are the winners. To me, I believe they are the winners because simply they took the risk to change and make a difference in our lives, to make a difference on how we do insurance. Yeah. So this is really interesting. And just I want to highlight that before, we end this hackathon, learning doesn't end. So I want you to make, all of you, the participants and our esteemed guests here, to make use of Qatar Center of Excellence from Google, which was launched last year, which will provide you and enable you with training courses. All what you need to do is just invest your time, and the remaining investment is being done by Google Cloud here in Qatar as part of our commitment to the country and to the community. So thank you a lot, and looking forward for an exciting day, and good luck to all.
Thank you, Basel. Henk, you see obviously a lot of things going on. You're traveling the world for Qatar and QFC. What is your opinion?
Yeah, first of all, we are a long-term partner, not only because we rent a real estate from QIC, but you know, I work with the Qatar FinTech Hub and all the partners, and then Qatar tries to be a leader in something, and that takes time. You know, it needs regulatory approvals and everything. So now we suddenly see under the leadership of Salem a private initiative saying, guys, you know, we are big, so we can facilitate InsurTech. So InsurTech, in my opinion, is one of the leaders. We can become a leading player in InsurTech in Qatar. And I'm very pleased that not only you were hired and the whole team is hired, but there's also money behind it. You are going to support the people and invest in them. And obviously, you know, they can set up in Qatar Financial Center. We will provide all the help you need. But I think this is very exciting. So InsurTech, I think, is an opportunity for Qatar. And the other area is Islamic FinTech. But I think the focus is now on InsurTech because private company like QIC, the biggest regional insurer, takes the initiative. I was very impressed. I'm a banker, so I try to understand insurance all the time. I was very impressed with the presentations of the hackathon during the selection process. I think you selected about 50 companies. 6 will be presenting today, and for sure there's at least one unicorn among them.
I hope so. Thank you very much. Thank you, Press. Okay, we now move on with a short intro on what is happening in the insurance market with Rich from Deloitte. Thank you very much.